Good day. My name is Kim Ivan de Monarig. I am an incoming grade 9 student of the Ateneo de Naga University Junior High School. I am honored to have this opportunity to apply for this scholarship. I believe I deserve this scholarship because I am a hardworking and a dedicated student who consistently strives excellence. Since elementary school, I have maintained my academic performance and achieved every achievement through determination and discipline. I always do my best in studies and take every challenge as an opportunity to learn and grow. This scholarship would not only recognize my efforts but also help me continue pursuing my educational goals. It would lessen the financial burden on my family and allow me to focus more on my studies and personal growth. Beyond academics, I am committed to becoming a responsible and a productive member of my community. I believe that education is an important tool that can help me achieve my dreams and make a positive impact on others in the future. If given this opportunity, I will continue to work hard, maintaining a good academic standing, and making the most of the support provided by this scholarship. I am determined to use this opportunity to build a brighter future for myself and my family. Thank you for considering my application. I sincerely hope I would be chosen as one of your scholarship recipients. Thank you and have a great day.